All right, welcome to building a to-do list app with Django and Python. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll be your instructor today. In this course, we're going to walk through Django, the web framework for Python, and I'm going to show you how to build websites with it, specifically database-driven websites. So hopefully this sort of simple to-do app will allow us to learn how to do database stuff, but won't overwhelm us. So we'll learn all the fundamentals that you need in order to understand how databases work with Django, how to interact with them, how to add things, edit things, and all that good stuff. But it's not going to be so complicated that it just, blows your mind or anything. So it's a nice way to sort of ease into more sophisticated website building with Django. So a couple of quick things before we get started. I'm on a Windows machine, Windows 7 actually, but if you're on a different version of Windows, Windows 10, or even if you're on Linux or Mac, you should definitely be able to follow along with this course. Python works on all types of computers. If you're on Linux or Mac, there's going to be a couple of little differences here and there. I'll try and point those out, but you really should be able to follow along without any problems. Once you get it installed, and you'll install it on Mac or Linux, like you install anything else on Mac or Linux, you should be able to follow along very easily. We're going to be using the most current up-to-date versions of both Python and Django. Right now that's version 2.0.5 for Django, and I think 3.65 for Python. We'll take a look at that in the next video. But if those versions are different by the time you watch this video, no big deal, as long as there hasn't been a major version change. So we're on version 2.0.5, so maybe by the time you watch this video, it's on 2.0.7 or 2.3 point something. As long as it's not on version 3 point something. The main numbers is when you get a dramatic change in the thing. So as long as, the trailing numbers here are somewhere around there, you should be absolutely fine. Same thing with Python. Now, if you're on a Linux or a Mac, you probably already have Python installed on your computer, but it's a very old version, and you're going to need to update it or upgrade it or add the newer version and switch to that. And I'm not going to show you how to do that. Hopefully you'll know how to do that. If not, head over to YouTube and just search. You'll find a video that shows it. It takes like 5 minutes to do. You should be able to figure that out. Okay, so in the next video, let's jump in and install Python and get started.